Green Key Nature Center and Wetlands is a nature preserve located in Boynton Beach, Florida. The 100-acre property was purchased in 1999 from Ted and Trudy Winsberg, who used the property for farming. This nature center includes 1.5 miles of an elevated wooden boardwalk, which takes visitors through various habitats including cabbage palm hammocks, cypress swamps, wetland hammocks, and tropical hardwood hammocks. The nature center showcases exhibits on the water cycle as well as a turtle pond, frogtarium, American alligator hole with young live alligators, and a wetland diorama. There is also a theater, gift shop, owl, and an exhibition hall inside. Audience enjoy the nature of Green Key Nature Center and Wetlands. Yeah!
Welcome to Green Key Nature Center and Wetlands. Let's go hiking today. This is tropical sage, red salvia, butterfly nectar plant. That's a painted budding bird.
What kind of bird is it? Painted bunting. The female's down just to the left of the pole. Oh, just flew up.
Northern cardinal bird floating in it.
What do you see?
That's the male.
And what's this bird up here on the tree?
So the green one is the female and the yellow and blue ones are the males, right?
That's right.
Wow, painted budding.
Here's a female cardinal right off to the right down here. She's kind of in the grass.
Wow, female northern cardinal. Those are mourning dogs.
Here's a black and white one.
Now let's go check out the nature center. American alligator, alligator Mississippianus, Florida native, Florida native. See under the wand, these are baby gators. Baby gators are really good prey items for a lot of different bird species. That because before there was an ocean back then. Another American alligator. Some turtles. Okay, what do we have in here? Leopard frog. In here I don't see it, but it says it's in here. Where's camera? That's what the leopard frog looks like. Here's a Cuban tree frog, a non-native one. Like again, probably hard to find because a lot of foliage in there. So, sculpture for great blue heron, and then a kingdom. contact and they're clipped into a marsh shrub. It's an limpkin that likes to eat snails. Limpkin is a spider. This is the water purification cycle. Water leaves your home. After drinking water is used to your home, it goes down the drain and becomes wastewater that's collected and pumped to the water reclamation facility for cleaning. Okay, there's one up there and kind of cute. This is the underwater range. They're There's just one swimming right up there. Moving. Did you know, audience, our brains are 70% water, our lungs are 90% water, our blood is 82% water. All living things in the whole entire world need water to survive. People can live several weeks without food. I did not know that. But only a few days without water. The water cycle.
Bowls with the garfish, and we feast on them all at night, with the starry sky overhead. Our people know the tree island as well.
Spiders, cool. Spiders are not insects, they're arachnids, but they eat insects alright. Let's go hiking. Sansa, great egret, Florida native, hunts for fish or fox. Something's over there. Cool! A wood stork. Oh my god, wood storks are huge wading birds. Yeah, that's a wood stork. Wow! See their gray heads? Cool. I just saw a wood stork flew, but I think it's gone. Wow, this place is awesome. This is actually my first visit here. All this wildlife. This is a boardwalk. Yeah, this is a boardwalk. This is a wetland ecosystem. There's a wood stork. Wow, look at that fly. So we're going to truck, we'll go hammock truck first.
See anything, Ike?
This is a Florida native swamp hen. Looks weird, I've never seen one before. So the swamp hen is a bird I've never seen before. Remember, this is a delicate ecosystem. We have to make sure we protect it, but not littering, of course, not polluting the water to make this a healthy Floridian Everglades ecosystem. Animals depend on this area, man, like, gotta protect it. That thing's really cool. Got me something. Oh, look, an anhinga. The scientific name for the anhinga is anhinga.
Wood stork got too close to him and he moving. Yeah.
Shoot. The wood stork is right. The wood stork is right there. Wow. That thing is crazy. In a good way. In a good way, of course.
Yeah.
Amazing wildlife.
So something about this area.
More swamp. That blue swan pin is beautiful. Look at that. I've never seen them before. Oh, look, it's got a piece of grass and the wood stork. Hunting. We're gonna shout it to you how we're hiking out. If you audience know, it says a nest. It certainly looks like a nest. Ought to be in the middle of the water. A flower is a plant's reproductive organ. Pretty round. There's a wood stork in flight. Remember, for a flower, a bee fertilizes the flowers and new plants can grow because the bees help the flowers reproduce. And then hinga, cool for the native. Florida native green heron. See his eye? Florida. This is a Florida native white ibis. So behind me, right here is a great egret, and that's a wood stork with some white ibises. The wood stork cute. So these birds are called wading birds. So many birds do is they wade in the water to search for their food. Fish, frogs, snakes, etc. Once they find their food source, they'll jab it with their beaks and eat it. So that's why they're called wading birds. So look, a vulture. So yeah, aren't they pretty magnificent? Gotta be careful about protecting them and not hunting them for their feathers. They're too beautiful to be hunted. Every living organism, from the tiniest ant to the biggest blue whale, is too pretty to be hunted for anything whatsoever. Snowy egret in flight. Palms are not trees, they're actually grass in the monocon family. This is a wild lime, the Florida native tree, Florida native host plant for the giant swallowtail butterfly. Don't see any campers in it right now, but oh, this is a Florida native firebush. This is Spanish moss. It is not a moss, but it is actually a bromeliad, an air plant. Cool. Roseate spoonbill. Roseate spoonbill. Snowy egrets. Cool. Want wild coffee plant, Florida native. Roseate spoonbill, Florida native. It's magnificent. This is actually my favorite animal in the whole world. We'll see it's spoonbill.
I guess.
Looks like we have some more spoonbills right over there. We'll see it spoonbill. They can be confused with flamingos, but they're not flamingos. There's a wood stork right there. It's amazing, right? This is a Florida native little blue heron bird on the boardwalk. Cool. Turtle, 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 turtle. Unhappy spoonbills for that would strike. Spoonbill resting. Turtle. Look, another Florida native green heron. Wow, look, another wood stork. Cool. Aw, this thing is so cute. Cantilegret, Florida native. Another cantilegret. There's food in his mouth. Looks like a brown and old lizard it has. Cantilegret's food in his mouth. The lizard's trying to escape. Who's gonna win? The eagle's gonna eat the lizard, or is the lizard gonna die? Yep, the lizard died. This is a Florida native tricolored heron. Another wood stork behind the bush of alligator flag plants there. So ducks. Cute ducks. So one's a male, obviously, one is a female. I'm predicting the right one is the male and the left one is the female. Darker color is the female usually, and usually the brighter colors is the male. Maybe they're mates. Bunch of Florida native white ibises on a cypress tree island. And Hagen right back here with the duck. These are Florida native cypress trees. They can live up to 1,000 years old. Wow! This one is a cypress tree. There are deciduous trees, just like some of the trees of north of the United States. Here's a cypress needle, cypress leaf. That's found here on the border. I can see they're scattered here. All this leaves you see on the ground, so all cypress leaves are falling off the cypress tree. This is an American alligator. Did you know American alligators can run up to 35 miles per hour? Slowly and don't walk like, well, you know what I mean, stopping, because you don't want to scare the animals away. You need to walk slowly like this. Put your heel up as you walk so you don't make noise and disturb the environment. Dang, look at that female in Hagen. These are Florida native alligator flag plants. All those Another American alligator, folks. The bumpy scales on the back are called osteoderms.
Covered in moss.
Videoing gift shop.
How much are these?
They're $6.49. And I have one that isn't out here that's a flamingo. Sorry, the flamingos are all gone.
Goodbye Green Key Nature Center and Wetlands.